Onelogix Agritrans is leading the way towards faster, more efficient agricultural equipment storage, assembly, and transport in Southern Africa. By providing our clients with the support they need, we are doing our part to create a more productive and profitable industry for manufacturers, farmers, and consumers alike. Onelogix Agritrans specializes in assembling and transporting agricultural equipment like tractors, crop sprayers, and combine harvesters across the country. With our help, you can be sure that your equipment will be stored, assembled, and transported with the utmost care and attention to detail. We know that you need to move your equipment fast, which is why we fine-tuned our services to provide you with the end-to-end, world-class logistics your farm or agricultural business needs to meet your deadlines and stay within your budget every time. If you'd like to learn more about how we'll assemble and adapt your equipment on-site, reach out to our team now.